The ingredients are 2 cups of sesame seeds, 1 cup of Bajra, 1 cup of palm jaggery. Roast the sesame seeds. Until begin to crackle like this. Blend the seeds to a coarse powder. Blend the Bajra to a fine powder. Roast the Bajra powder until aroma comes. Add 1.5 cups of water in palm jaggery. Boil the jaggery syrup on a medium flame. Until it reaches ball thickness. We have to make sesame powder and Bajra powder. Filter the dust particles in the jaggery syrup.